Good day. I will explain how this 4-bit computer circuit works. It is designed to perform simple operations like addition, subtraction, loading, and outputting results. Overview of the components. Program counter keeps track of the current instructions addressed in memory. ROM stores the program instructions in hexadecimal format. Instruction register temporarily holds the current instruction for processing. Control unit decodes instructions and generates control signals for execution. Accumulator register A holds intermediate results during operations. B register stores the second operand during arithmetic operations. ALU performs arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction. Output register displays the final result of the computation. How the circuit works. Initialization. Set the CLR input to the ground to reset the system. Fetch and decode. The PC sends an address to the ROM to fetch an instruction, which is decoded by the CU. Execute. Based on the opcode, load LDA data into the accumulator. Perform addition or subtraction in the ALU. Transfer the result to the accumulator. Output and halt. The result is displayed when the output opcode is executed, and the program halts with opcode.